How do you use the to infinitive in English? Infinitive equals to plus base verb. Verb plus to plus infinitive. We use the to infinitive after certain verbs. Example: want, promise, agree, decide, like. I like to go to school on foot. When to use an infinitive. Infinitives can be used to express the reason of an action. Example: I worked to make money. He came to study. I go to the library to read. You go to the gym to work out. Why do we use YouTube? We use YouTube to study English. Why do we use Facebook? We use Facebook to meet people. Infinitives can be used as subjects. To do the right thing is not easy. To learn a new language is helpful. To run a business is not a child's play. Infinitives can be used as objects. I want to help you. We love to read. Infinitives can be used as subject complement. His job is to assist you. My dream is to open a special business. Infinitives can be used adverbs. We must study to learn. I want to learn to be a developer. Common verbs followed by the infinitive. Want, like, agree, choose, plan, decide, expect, try, love, hope, expect, offer, forget, need, promise, hate, refuse, learn, hope, need, mean, remember, would like, would love, would prefer, would hate. Examples:
I hate to be late. It started to rain. I like to sleep early. I want to break free. I prefer to travel by car. I love to travel in spring. Do you like to get up early? I would love to go to Brazil. I'm tired. I want to go to bed. Amy would like to meet you. My brother is learning to drive. What have you decided to do? Bye. I hope to see you again soon. Are you waiting to see the doctor? Tamara has decided to sell her car. I went to the shop to get a newspaper. We need some money to buy food. I haven't got time to watch television. I'm trying to work, please stop talking. I hate to study the day before the exam. What do you want to do this evening? I tried to read my book, but I was too tired. They're going to Brazil to see their friends. Why are you going out? To buy some food. I like this apartment. I wouldn't like to move. I learned to swim when I was 5 years old. Examples of want you and told you plus to plus infinitive. I want you to be happy. I want you to meet Sarah. She asked me to help her. Paul let me use his phone. I want you to listen carefully. I don't want you to be angry. I advised him to go to the doctor. Do you want me to wait for you? I don't want you to call me tonight. I told him to come back in 10 minutes. Amy's mother taught her to play the piano. Do you want me to lend you some money? A woman told me to turn left after the bridge. They didn't want anybody to know their secret.
Remember. Make and let. After make and let, we do not use to. Examples. He's very funny. He makes me laugh. We don't say, makes me to laugh. At school our teacher made us work very hard. We don't say, made us to work very hard. I didn't have my phone with me, so Sue let me use hers. We don't say, let me to use. Question form.
Why did you lend Sammy your laptop?
He asked to borrow it. He needed it for his project.
What time do we need to be there?
At about 8 o'clock.
Congratulations.
Thanks. I didn't expect to pass my test at all.
Are you going now?
Yes. I promised to meet Laura in town at 6.
How are you getting to the station?
Ben's offered to take me in his car.
Did you agree to organize the party?
Yes. Amir and I are going to do it.
Have you got your photos?
Oh no. I forgot to bring them.
Is Jess coming?
No, she doesn't want to go out tonight.
I learned to drive when I was 18.
Have you got a car?
The link, of all sentences in this video, is in the description.
Don't forget to watch these videos.